Ready? See if Hershey can figure out how to get the cat food that's trapped in the bowl upside down. His face will not fit, so he's trying to use his paw, but it's still not working, so Emmy's just going to move the whole darn bowl. And there she goes. Because she can't, she's just going to take off with the food. And she still can't figure it out. She's going to use her paw, maybe. There, she can't get it out. Her face is too big to get it out, so she's just going to keep moving it.
Hirsch. Hirsch. Hirsch.
Try it, Hirsch. Try it. Oh, look at him. He's going to just pull it on over. Come on, Hirsch. Get it. Get it, Hirsch. And your head's in my video. Could you move? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying harder if it's their food they're trying to get.
Oh. Now Hershey's going to get it. Casey, don't come over. You hear your voice and it's freaking out. He can't get it. Come on, Hershey. What, Lindsay, you're scaring him. He's a big chicken. Oh, he got it. He got it. Yay, Hirsch. You know what? The little pieces are maybe easier to get. Now what are you putting in there? Chicken?
Buffet, if they can see if they have to work for their food.
Uh-oh, here she comes. Now the stakes are higher. It's chicken. I think they can get the chicken. There goes Emmy. She's gonna take the entire bowl. She's off. Uh-oh, somebody got it, maybe.
Sticking your tongue out.
Who got it?
Hoping something will catch.
Now Hershey doing it? Mm-hmm. He's learning how to do it. He just took it right away from her.
Where's Zach and all this?
Hirsch, where are you going? He got one piece, and now he's determined. Did you get another one?
No.
Oh, he only got one piece. It's only taking him 10 minutes to get one piece of food. Not worth it, Hirsch.
You're getting it all in one pile.
Oh, he gives up. Sorry, Hirsch.
Becky, are you gonna get some?
There's the food. It's in there. It's in there, but you can't get it. His face won't fit. Did you get it?
No, he's still looking.
Oh, he's just licking his paw, because that's as good as he can get. Touches it, licks his paw. Touches, licks. He can't get the real deal, so he's just going to get it all over his skin. His fur. And touch and touch. Where are you going, Hirsch? Hershey!
We're going back.
Hershey, look up! Hirsch! Yeah, there you are! Hirsch! Yeah, we know you're here! Hirsch!
Cheese!
Yeah, she's good, camera girl. Hirsch, look up!